Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in our 2018 Pioneer camper, and this toilet is a Dometic, and we went to use it last week, and whenever you press this down, there was no water. There was water going to a trickle, so a very small trickle. And what happens when you don't have enough water going to these toilets is you start getting a buildup. They call it a pyramid or whatever, and it builds up. So you need a good water flow. You see how aggressive that is. I wasn't getting that, and this is the problem. This is a 5-minute fix if you were camping. So say you run out of water, you don't have to get a new one of these. The easiest way, you can pop this out in 5 minutes, and if you look down in there, it was filled with calcium. It was the end of the weekend, so I ordered a new one, but these have these little screens in them, and they collect calcium deposits, and then you don't get any water up to the bowl. But the easiest way, you see on this is actually how it's mounted. There's a screw here and a screw there. They're Phillips heads. You can easily disconnect that top clamp and unscrew that. Take out the two Phillips heads, and then on the side you depress these two, and it pops out. Now, I would, if this was me and I was camping, I would take this and I would put water from the sink in the kitchen in this side, and I would push this in. It's depressed right there, and I would run water from the top side and flow it back out through here so it gets all that calcium out. When this was wet, I actually blew some pressurized air through it to get what was there out. But if you run water backwards through this, it should blow most of that out, and you could put it back together. That literally would take less than 5 minutes to do, and you can be back in action. So you don't necessarily have to order a new one. I would try this first. Yeah, $11 valve, you can replace it, but try to blow it out first. I hope this video helps you. If it does, please subscribe to my channel because that helps me and I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.